It is Featured Sponsor Friday, and we are super excited to tell you about one of our favorite sponsors that we have. They do some of the coolest stuff out there, and it is Square One Garage Solutions. Stacy and Mike run the company. I think Stacy runs the company. I think Mike is there. He's like a figurehead, like royalty in like a monarch. But Stacy really does all the work. But they do a great job. If you are looking for your garage resurfaced and refinished to make it look like a workshop, to make it into like a man cave, whatever you're looking to do. They make the stuff look absolutely beautiful. But they also have other services that they offer within their product line of services. So you need to give them a call and check them out. So if you're interested in reaching them, the best number to call, it's on here, is 813-603-8842. Stacy and Mike with Square One Garage Solutions. They will take good care of you. We've known them forever, and they do great work. So don't miss a chance to reach out to them and get that garage converted into a man cave for you guys out there, and for you women out there to get your husband out of the house and get him into the garage. Thanks. If you'd like to become a sponsor and get featured in our publications all across Tampa, or get featured on an episode of Feature Sponsor Friday, contact me today, 16W Media Group. We'll get you started.